Hey everyone, Zane here, and today we'll show you how to use companion fare in Alaska Airlines. This is going to be very quick and simple, but just make sure to watch till the end. And if you have any questions, just comment down below. If you are not sure what the companion fare is, it's a perk offered on Alaska Airlines co-branded credit cards that allows you to purchase a second ticket on a round-trip flight in the main cabin for $99 plus tax. So how do we actually go about using it? To start with, first actually must find our companion fare code. So we will have to go to Alaska Airlines website, and we can go up to the right side right here, hover over this section, click on this right here. So you'll have to enter your user ID and password. And from there, we want to head over to the section which is called My Account. And from there, you should be able to see all these different options. However, we just want to go to the bottom where it says discount and companion fare codes. Now, when we click on that, we see this page here, and we should be able to see all of the codes that we actually have. So here we can see when they expire. So you want to make sure that they are not actually expired and they are valid. And you are sure it is a companion fare code. You just want to go ahead and copy the discount code that it gives you over here. Now, in order to use it, you want to head over to Alaska Airlines, and then we want to click this button down below right here, which says use discount for companion fare code. When you click on it, it will redirect you to this page right here. And down below here in this box, you can enter the companion fare code. So paste here your companion fare code. Then once you have successfully entered that code and all the other details, you can go ahead and click find flights, and it will actually find flights that allow you to purchase a second ticket on a round-trip flight in the main cabin for $99. So this is actually how we can do it. And that's all for today's video. If you find it helpful, please don't forget to support us with like, subscribe, comment, share. Thanks for watching, and see you in a new video.